Okay, so just going to look at the some of the assemblies here for the corridors. So just this one here, I've got a 50mm high curb. I'm using, if you go to the UK IE design tab, scroll down here, British curbs, I'm using that one. Okay, but that, when you're using that one here, in the properties you'll have different options, so there's different types of curb here. So we've got, say, bullnose curbs. Different options, and it's changing the assembly there the whole time. Okay, so this one here I'm just making it 50mm high curb, and then I'm using this lane element here, so that's on the lanes tab, and it's the first one there, lane super elevation, and then we've just got the curb again, and then on the back of that I've just got a 1mm or 1 or 2 mil kind of wide bit for the footpath, and it's basically just a copy of this element here, and I'm putting and on the back of that then, so from the back of this curve it's going to target the existing footpath edge. That's why I've made it just a 1mm sliver, so that we can, where we want to target out to an existing edge or not. If we don't want to target, then it's just this one small little 1mm bit there that you'll never notice anyway. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just apply that then. So that assembly is test 2, and I'm just going to build my corridor here, and I'll just call this just Cycleway. That's the alignment. The profile is the existing one, the assembly. Then I'll go for test 2, target surface, that's grand. Click OK, and what I'm going to do is just apply this then, not for the entire length but just for a section. So I'm just going to click here and zoom in, and we'll just say go from here maybe to start with. So about 76 down to, I'll just say 170. Okay, and I'm going to go in then to set all frequencies and just set it to 5 the whole way, and click OK. Okay, so it's applied that then the whole way along. Okay, so if I want to change the look of that corridor, so sometimes it's handy maybe to see the where it's applying the assembly, so you can change. So I'm just clicking on the corridor here and changing this code set style, maybe plan view with links shown, so you can see there where it's applying the assembly or the assemblies. Or if you want to hatch it, then plan view solid hatch, okay, is hatching in the code, the assembly, the codes from the assembly. So I suppose just to explain a bit about that then, if I look at this assembly, let's just say if I click on this curb element here, and in the properties scroll down, the top link codes, so that curb code there that you see, if I go into, click on the corridor, go into corridor properties, codes, and then this code style, okay, if I go into edit that and link, scroll down to, was it curb, I see that this light blue colour is getting applied to it. Okay, so if I wanted to change that, just I want to make it magenta, going to change it there, click OK, zoom in, and the curves then come up as magenta. Okay, so it's all kind of based on those codes. That's how it works. Okay.